afternoon, everyone. Students, today's lecture is on BCG matrix. Now, what is BCG matrix? BCG matrix is one of the tool that came in 70s, which actually tells you where does your brand or product stands in your portfolio, where it is pitched in the market, and then what are the strategy that you can take. That's the basic idea about it. Now, whatever is written in the books, as a student, as a researcher, we should try to post-mortem each and everything. So I'll go through with my experience about it, and I'll let you know how it functions. Now, if you look at it, it's a matrix with 4 quadrants. You have relative market share on this axis, right? And then you have relative market growth on this axis. So there are 2 axes, vertical and horizontal. One thing that you have to make sure is, if this is relative market share, starts from here, moves this side. And this is the mirror image. Mirror image means this is the replica of this. So if you are moving from here to here, then rest assured we are moving from here to here. In relative market growth, we are moving from this side to here. And therefore, it's the same this side. Now, before going into this, let us find out what is relative market share. Now, relative market share is, for example, there are 10 cars which are sold in a month, and out of those 10 cars, A is sold 8 and rest, or let's say B is sold 2. So the relative market share is 8 out of 10 for A, 2 out of 10 for B. Now, 8 out of 10 means 80%, which means if we start from here, right, and we say 1, and this point we say 100. Now this is 1 to 100 this side. In the same manner, this is 1 to 100 this side, right? Now this is separate and this one is separate. Don't say sir that both 1 and 100 are on the same point. No, this 100 is for relative market share, this 100 is for relative market growth. Now 8 out of 2 is 80%. So I think you will agree that this has to be 50, 1%, 100%, 50%. And let's not measure it with this scale. If you say 80%, then it has to be from 50 to 100, and you know how intervals are made. Right? That you have studied in economics, that if you divide this into 10 equal parts, then each 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, it will come into 100. So 80% is product A will be ranked somewhere here. That's what relative market share is. Relative market share is, out of all the products that are sold in a segment, how much of percentage of your product is selling. Which means, for example, if in a sub 4 lakh rupees segment, Alto sells 8 out of 10 times, then Alto has a share of 80%. Right? And what is relative market growth? Now this is relative market share and this is relative market growth. Now market growth means the market where you are, let's say in India, how much that segment is growing. Which means if last to last year 20 cars sold and last year 30 cars sold, then by 10 it has increased, and you can calculate the percentage. 10 divided by 20 into 100, because it was 20 last to last, and then from 22 it changed to 30. So if you're taking base here, that's 20, that's the percentage it has increased. Why it is important? It's important because you should know your market by how your market is moving. If your market is not moving, then no matter how good you are doing, you will not move. It's better to be in a market which is moving, which is expanding, and you are a new player in it, but the momentum will take you forward, rather than a market which is stagnated and you are a leader. Nothing going to happen there, right? So relative market growth is now in a small car market, less than 4 lakh category. The market is growing at a very, very fast rate, which means this again is mid segment, midpoint, and the market is growing. It's a very attractive rate at a very high rate. Now we call it, obviously we call it low, we call it moderate, we call it high. Here also, if you can, if you don't want the quantification, this is low market share, this is moderate market share, this is high market share. So the market growth for the small cars in India is high. So which means if you talk about Alto, it will come somewhere here, because its market share is more. So let us understand this way. It's the market growth for Alto is more, keeping in consideration that market is growing. So if we take an example of Alto, and we want to know what BCG matrix says about Alto, and what Maruti Suzuki or Suzuki is looking at Alto. What Suzuki is saying is that around 7 or 8 cars under 4 lakh or 3 lakh or around that categories which are sold is Alto. So this is it, which means relative market share is around 80%. And see, when you get a cut here, this is just, I'm telling you, you can remember it anyway. Make a cut here also, because this quadrant and this quadrant, I'm talking about the lines, they are mirror image of each other. If this is relative market share, then this is also relative market share. So make a cut here, make a cut this side, right? That's fine, that's okay. Relative market growth, very, very attractive. Again, we put it that the cut is here. In the same manner, you can put a cut where? Out here, because I said this is relative market growth, this is relative market growth. So please don't be confused. Relative market share, if it's here, put a cut here, cut there. Relative market growth, attractive, put a cut here, cut here. Now a simple question is, which is the quadrant in which both the cuts are coming or both the dash are coming? Star. So according to me, according to the hypothetical or the hypothesis that I have taken, that it has a 80% market share and the market is growing, the growth rate is also higher, Alto is a star for Maruti Suzuki. Now, who are star performers? Those which gives you very good returns. And they are a star performer because they are the top. They are leader in market share and the market is also growing. The problem with the stars though is that to be a star and to remain at that position is very, very difficult. So we would like our star to be converted into cash cow, which Maruti Suzuki believes Alto is today. Right? So in cash cow, what is it? Consistent sales, revenue is coming. You just have to maintain the market share, just uplifting and modifying the product every 2 or every 3 years, and it will give you. But make sure, milk it. We milk the cow to the limit where, it gives you quality milk. Oxytocin का इंजेक्शन नहीं लगाते हम, बदतमीजी नहीं करते गाय के साथ, निकालते रहो दूध पता लगा गाय मर गई. Right? So cash cow. You can argue that it's a star. No issues with it. In a cash cow, what should be the strategy? Maintain your market share. Every 2 or 3 years, modify the product, right? And also, as we studied in 5 forces model, find out where are the new threats coming from. Star, you have to invest. You really have to invest. Because investment will really take you to the new domains in a way that changes have to be brought. So in star you have to be careful because it's a position, you will be pushed when you are a star. There will be people who will be coming from behind and will try to push you, right? So now you can take another brand. One classic example is in 1995 I purchased a scooter called Bajaj Chetak. Now Chetak was a really market leader at that time because there was nothing closer to it. When Chetak was there, we had LML, Vespa, and Splendor came in, and RX 100, Yamaha, a very favorite bikes for youth those point of time. Now what happened? People, I don't know why, because the style of Chetak was such or the seat was such कि जो पीछे बैठा हुआ था वो बिल्कुल ही अजीब सा लगता था and nobody used to ride it. It was a more of a, I don't know, it was a family scooter kind of a thing. But as time progresses, the sales of Chetak went down, sales of Vespa picked up, and I don't know what happened. From somewhere Splendor came, which is bike, and RX 100 came, and poor Chetak dropped in the market share, not only of scooters, I'm talking about scooters because LML picked up. The market share reduced to such an extent where it was between low and moderate. And the growth of scooters at that point of time was so low that it came somewhere here. So you put a tick here, market growth for scooters was less. Circle, put a tick here. Chetak, in whatever scooters were sold, let's say 5 scooters were sold against 15 bikes. Maybe 3 were Chetaks, good, okay. So Chetak might be leading in the wrong market, and put a tick here, right? Now, again, find out which is the quadrant where 2 ticks of Chetak are. Chetak market share less, in scooters okay, but in 2-wheelers less, and Chetak market growth, that segment was not growing at all because people were shifting to bikes, so again less. Well, yes, it became a dog. Now what are dogs? Dogs bite, though they are very faithful, but they bite, which means low sales or almost no sales. It hits you. So what do? Either you move out of it, you sell off, right? You get out of the business. But it's not easy because it's your forte. But the changing time, Bajaj went off with the scooters and it had to come with Pulsar. Now don't tell me that Bajaj didn't know about management or they didn't have any MBA or Kotlers or these people are not there. They were very much there. But that's what management is all about. You have to figure out what can happen in 5, 10, 15 or 20 years down the line. Otherwise, something of this may happen. That what was once a star, Chetak, became a cow. And from cow it became a dog. You have to see that. Right? Now, when you look today at Pulsar, or even at, for that matter, when Splendor came on, every new product when it is launched, you can say, sir, is it a dog in the starting? No, it's not a dog in the starting. When you are born as a kid, and when you die, you start from 0, you end at 0. So, but when you are born, that is a positivity. When you are old, biologically, you are degenerating, and your body collapses. Right? So try to make question mark is what? I have launched something. I launched Pulsar, but I'm against Hondas and Yamahas and how to do. So I really don't know. So in question mark, be cautious. Again, from here to here, this quadrant again is market share. But look at the market growth of question mark. It's from here to here. It's from here to here. This is the market growth of question mark. Which means if you are going into a market where growth is more, but Your market share is less. No issues, no issues. You can have a less market share, but see, if the market is growing and your quality is right, you are bound to grow. That is where question marks come into. So be cautious. Market is growing, which means there are opportunities. There are opportunities in the market, right? There are opportunities in the market. So question mark. And see, from question mark, you can become a star. From a star, you can become a cash cow. And sometime you can become a dog. I'll give you a very classic example. When I was a student, I said, sir, what if a product comes here and I was sent out of the class, as was the normal routine with me, because I used to ask such questions. And then class से बाहर करो, उसको पता नहीं क्या-क्या पूछता रहता है. I said, sir, where am I wrong? भाई यहाँ पे है, which means this is the market share. This is the market growth. तो यही तो होगा. So what is it? I tried to answer it. What is this? This could be, if you fall this side, it's dog. If you fall this side, it's question mark. If you fall this side, it's star. If you fall this side, it's cash cow. In any case, my dear, if you are here and here, then you have already won the 50% battle. In market share, you are 50%. In market growth, it's 50%. So if you do a little bit of better, then I don't see you going down as dog. Yes, as question mark, you have to be cautious. And then you can become a star and you can become a cash cow. So dogs, if you fall in dog category, well, move out of it or try to do something, turn around. Question mark, be cautious because the market growth is with your side. Star, the market growth is with you, the market share is with you, but to maintain that, it takes a hell lot of a thing. Cash cow is the safest position in a way. Market is growing considerably, and in that considerably growing market, you are the most successful. Right, so this is about BCG metrics. In the next class, we'll be talking about various examples, and I'll take your problems because it's not easy to understand it, that how to go about it. And now, if you come up with any brand, for example, Swift, Calvin Klein watch, you can put BCG says you have to put it at one of the 4 places, and then the strategies will take care. Right then, we'll meet again. Goodbye. That's it.